So in our previous video, we have seen that our application got implemented with three buttons, that is save button, delete selected, and delete all button. These three buttons are gonna be crucial buttons for the whole application. Save button is already working. We need to make remaining two buttons working as well. We will make delete all button work in this video, and in another video we will implement delete selected. I will just implement delete all in this video is because delete selected needs a little bit more explanation and a little bit time consuming as well. So it is better to make a separate video for both the buttons. It will be better for you guys as well to understand that how things are working for this button and for that button. So let's start. Right now this button is not working, only save button is working. Okay, let's do something. We will hide this. We'll close the application first, and here we will just copy this line. Okay, and here what we will do is we will say delete all, and we will remove this method from here, and further we will need to add one line of code, that is shared preference helper dot remove string, and we will just provide our key list item. Oops. Okay, this one line of code will remove everything from the list, and we need to update after deleting from there. We also need to update the recycler view as well, that our recycler view is already cleared, and we need to let it know that it needs to update the adapter. So what we can do is we can simply call our fetch and update data, because that is what it is doing. If there is data, then wait. Okay, if there is data in shared preference, then it's gonna execute these lines of code in which it is converting and clearing the current list of items. Okay, and nothing else. Here we need to add one line of code, that is list of items is cleared. Let's do something. We will remove this line of code. Okay, and we will add two lines, that is list of items dot clear and rv adapter dot notify dataset change. That's it. This will update the recycler view. At the same time, it will remove everything as well. Let's run and check out how things are working. Okay, so here we have our application running, and here we have two items in our list. If you can see, hi and some random text. We will click on delete all, and everything is being deleted. I will reopen the application to show you guys. See, there is literally nothing here. We will add some items. Apple, orange, banana, grapes, mango, kiwi. So we have another list added here, and we will close this application and open it again to check if the data is saved or not. See, our data is saved, and we will click on delete all the data is deleted. We will close it again and open it again. See, the data is gone, means the application is working totally fine now. And we will see the delete selected option implementation in another video, because that will take a bit more explanation and time consuming efforts as well. So see you in another video.